Hey everyone, it's Raquel with RocketKitties. Yay! So we are back for another tutorial. I have kept this tutorial to one video, so I hope you guys like it. I wanted to make something a little bit more simple. But here I have a ring base, which you can get off of AliExpress or just a craft store online in general. And right there I was demonstrating with that tool that if the ends, I found that some of the rings like this, the ends can be kind of straight instead of curved inward. So if you want to curve it in, just take that wire tool and then gently curl the end of the ring if it's needed. If not, hopefully it comes like this and it's all good. So for this ring, I decided to go with this adorable little bunny. It's like a cute little teddy bear bunny, and I just wanted, I felt, okay, so like I like pink and black, and I was like, you know, this is an adorable bunny. Let's make it edgy. And that's kind of the inspiration of this ring we're going to make. So you'll need some black paint, white paint, the ring base, cabochon of your choice. In this video, we're using this bunny. And then we're going to need some UV resin, some glue, and here I'm going in and I decided I want this bunny to have a choker because what's not more edgy than a choker? So I put on the choker and I was like, let's color in the ears black as well. And as I was looking at it, I was like, it needs something else. I'm not quite sure what. And then boom, this happened. Watch what I do. A little heart. Because what's not cute and edgy? Anything edgy and cute is just, you know, top tier, at least to me. So I put cute little hearts on the bottom of its feet, and there I was just checking to make sure that I liked everything. And then we're gonna go in with our nail brush. And I was deciding what exactly I wanted to do. And I was like, okay, let's start with this little nose mouth area. Because I couldn't decide if I wanted this stitching to also be outlined in black, which I thought would be cute. But because there's stitching on the face, I was worried about it clashing with its eyes. And so I just decided to do like a minimal. And then on the one eye, we're adding a little X, because it got a little boo-boo. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It's looking super cute. Like, cannot be mad at that. And now we're going to glue the cabochon to the ring. Now this ring has a little depth to it. And I assume that's like to put something in the middle and encase it with resin. And that's okay. I just glued it on with the E6000 glue, and I just kind of made sure it was fully covering the cabochon where I wanted. And then this was sitting there, and I was like, you know, let me just set the ring on there so it doesn't move around and it can dry. So that's kind of what I did. We kind of, you know, just made something work there. And now we're going to go in with the UV resin. And all I'm going to do with this is kind of fill in that empty area of the ring base. And I just wanted to do a close-up. I added some white dots to the choker. I wish I had like a metallic silver color, but I didn't. So we just did white, which I honestly think turned out really cute. I was also going to put rhinestones, but then I was like, okay, girl, you're doing too much, which I can't do. So we just left it at the white dots. But yeah, so now I'm just going in and filling in that bottom area as well as going around the ring and kind of just filling in little gaps with the UV resin, because I decided, I was like, you know what, I want everything to be shiny. And then I put some gloss over it, sealed it, and this is how she's looking. So cute. And I just wanted to do like a before and after. Like, look how awesome that is. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial and that it sparked some new ideas for you and your crafting adventures. If you did like the video, please like the video. And then also subscribe to my channel for more crafting fun, decoden, and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!